As we all know, anything worth doing is worth trying to rush through to make some money and fucking something up and then taking twice as long to fix it. That's what we have here today. This is Project Honey. Project Honey is a repair job that came in, a char griller professional smoker that the firebox had rusted out, and the stack was just too short. So we'll start out by getting everything cleaned up, getting the table filled, getting some plate on it, and start cutting out plates for the box. Running through these cuts, making a simple 20 by 20 box, and then we'll cut the door out and the trim work. With the trim done, we'll start tacking it together, door first, and then we'll start assembling the box. Now, as we start building the box, you'll see having the CNC plasma make things so easy. I just have to match this up corner to corner, and then the next piece, and the next piece, and the next piece, and then we'll throw the front on, tack it on, and then we'll test fit it so I can get measurements for the back. As I'm installing the door here, I recycled the hinges from the old smoker door because you never let half-inch hinges go to waste. I'm getting the first look of what it's going to look like when we install it. And with the back on, it's time for weld out. Now that the box is all welded, we'll get it tacked up here, and it's looking real nice. Now we'll have to finish welding that out, and it's onto the stack. And as you see, I immediately fucked this up. Can't cut a 45 on a diamond on square tubing to save my life, apparently. So had to do a little gap repair here, and so I'll show you the ins and outs of that. Just chipped the flux off some 7018 and tacked it in, and now I'm running stringer beads to fill everything up and tie it together. Once I get it pretty close, we'll go ahead and start grinding, and then we'll go back in and put some weld over any holes, porosity, anything like that, any defects, and clean them up, make it look nice. As I've learned, being a fabricator is not about doing things perfectly. It's about when you fuck up, because you're definitely gonna fuck up, can you fix it and make it look like you meant to do that the first time? This is a long process to fix something like this, so you should always try not to fuck it up the first time. So yeah, man, that's totally how I wanted that to go. Yep, just like that. Man, this thing is looking beastly. Alright, got a few more little tie-in deals to get the rest of it welded up, and she'll be ready for paint. And a good project needs a badging, and this is the badging for Project Honey. The end of fabrication here, and man, it is looking good. I love how the badging came out. I'm really liking this smoker. And here she is in all her glory. Man, I really enjoyed this one. And if you like the content, let us know. Drop a comment, hit like, and subscribe to see what we got going on around the shop. Thank you if you made it all the way through. Your support means a lot to us here.